You are on bond for a theft, and now you've picked up another theft and an evading arrest. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On February 13th, officers were dispatched to a theft call at Lowe's. The officer spoke to the complaining witness, who's the loss prevention officer. The loss prevention officer stated that the defendant entered the store and put a speaker into his backpack. The loss prevention officer followed the defendant around the store. The defendant walked out of the store, passing all points of sale.
Hold on.
To purchase the item.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah.
I was going to give him a coloring book. Okay, go ahead. So he's in Lowe's?
Yes.
All right.
The complaining witness attempted to stop the defendant. The defendant did not stop. The officer was on scene when the complaining witness was attempting to stop the defendant. The officer told the defendant to stop running, and the defendant did not comply. The defendant ran approximately half a mile from the Lowe's. The officer caught up with the defendant on the third floor of an apartment complex. The defendant attempted to resist detainment. The value of the item stolen was $129. And the defendant started to run from the complaining witness towards the nearby apartment.
Mr. Castillo, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward on your theft and your evading arrest. Deputy Miranda, I'm now revoking your bond on your first case. You will now go into custody. I told you not to pick up any new cases. You've picked up 2 new cases. You will now stay with me. Goes with you.
I'm sorry about that, sir.
Can you appoint him a lawyer, please? I will appoint you a lawyer now, and we'll talk, but no, you can't continue. Unacceptable. Are you Jackson Norton?
Sir.
Mr. Norton, you were charged with 2 counts of assault and bodily injury. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
February 15th, officers responded to 1025 West Mass Parkway, Bar Buckwild in Harris County, Texas, regarding a disturbance. The first complainant stated that he was located at the bar ordering drinks and was in a conversation with the defendant. That's when the complainant turned around and the defendant struck him on the right side of his face. A second complainant stated that he observed that the defendant was leaning over the first complainant, physically hitting the first complainant. In an attempt to break it up, the second complainant grabbed the defendant, and the defendant turned around and punched him on the side of the head. The second complainant said that he believed he was unconscious for multiple seconds. When he woke up, he was lying on the ground. The defendant left the establishment where his bouncers were able to locate and detain the defendant in the parking lot. A witness, the bartender, observed police still on the second complainant. The second complainant had injuries to the left side of his face where it was pink, and there appeared to be broken blood vessels under the skin, with a small laceration near the end of his eyebrow, where there was a small amount of blood. The first complainant advised he felt pain and had a small looking bump on the end of his elbow next to his eyebrow next to his hairline.
So we have 2 assaults that were dismissed early last year. Any of the complaining witnesses the same?
No, Judge.
Same set of facts, whereas alcohol as well?
The previous assaults happened at a high school graduation party.
But there was alcohol?
Yes, Judge, it's not like that was alcohol.
Mr. Norton, I'm now going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now putting an ankle monitor on you so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. If I find that you do, I will put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond high. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We're now working on our 4th, so I will do everything in my power to protect my public at all costs. Do not use alcohol, do not use illegal drugs, no weapons, no going to any bars, clubs, establishments where it's 50% or more alcohol, no going out in the middle of the night. You will get a curfew as well.